Hey everybody, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder that the audio and video book is now available for digital downloads. This is almost 10 hours of audio, so it's about 20 tracks. And I am reading the first 6 chapters of the Self-Inflicted Religious Deception, second edition. I'm reading it word for word, also, going through and elaborate more and basically explaining a lot more in the reading. So I'm reading the book and there's an intro and it's very well done. So you guys can take advantage of that. If you get all of the if you get the entire audio book, it comes with all of the video books. So there's also the 6 chapters in videos. So yes, 6 videos, a video for each chapter. Basically going through the chapter and, same way I basically do all my videos. So 6 videos, as well as the 20 audio tracks. Like I said, it's almost 10 hours of audio and plus the videos. And everybody who gets the entire collection will also get Full Circle. It will come with it. So Full Circle is also now available, and Full Circle is basically what this video is about. And this is a video that everybody must see. So I'm telling you, whatever you're doing, you need to see this video. It is my last coronavirus video. I will not put out any more videos on corona because in this video, that's it. Everything is coming together. Everything we have been seeing, everything we have always talked about as far as esoteric studies, as far as the occult, as far as Illuminati, Freemasonry, everything we have been seeing our entire lives has come full circle. Everything is coming into what we're seeing today. And in this video, I'll show you how it all pertains to everything. So we're going to get into the wildfires. We're going to get into Afghanistan. We get into everything. So after this video, you will know and you will have, basically all the answers if you don't have it by now, as far as what this whole vaccine thing is all about and what is coming. So I put out so many videos before, and if you've seen the prior videos, you get an idea, but I don't think people know what's coming, and people don't understand how they're showing us and how it really looks the same as what we've seen before. And everything is so much. It's so much. So I'm telling you, very important. You want to see this video because you're going to want to know what you need to do. If you took the vaccine, you really want to see the video. If you're thinking about taking it, you definitely want to see. And everybody else, you need to understand what's about to happen. So, whatever you're doing, trust me, you want to see this video. It's already on Merkabah Academy. So make sure you guys, take a look and watch it. Also, the video book will not be on Merkabah Academy. If you want it, you got to get it. So again, if you get the entire audio video book, it comes with Full Circle. It comes with all the videos. It comes with all of the tracks, the 20 tracks. So I know a lot of people asked for it. Everybody who ordered the flash drive, they shipped. So you should have your tracking number. It's still good. And like I said, it was a lot of orders. So guys got backed up. But everything has shipped, and just check your tracking number. It should be on the way. Anybody waiting for anything, trust me, it's on the way. Shoot me an email if you've been waiting too long. But yeah, I've been putting this together for a long time. I've been putting together Full Circle for a long time. And it's just you have to wait and see what they're doing. And the biggest thing, the biggest clue, Afghanistan. That's it. Here we go. So you can see where this is going to lead. If you watching my shit, if you paying attention, you know what's coming. You know what's about to happen. So yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, I've been working on this for a while. So definitely see it. Definitely you want to watch it. Definitely get it and watch it because you need to see this. You need to pay attention. Seriously. Most serious video I ever put out. Have to see it. I don't usually do this, but you want to see it. Trust me. Especially if you took the vaccine. Especially. But There's a lot of information going around. A lot of people sending me videos and a lot of people panicking. A lot of people see it. So I'm getting a lot of emails and messages and videos. And like I talk about in the video, one of the things that I was waiting to see, one of the things that I was hoping not to see was the doctors and scientists coming forward, because they get paid to keep their mouth shut. They get paid to do what they do. Once they start speaking, that's when you know. Once they start saying fuck the money, that's when you know it's time to listen to them. And we're talking about all over the world. Everybody's talking and running their mouth, and they can't kill everybody. So it's going to get very difficult to get people to get vaccinated coming up. And as I say, the question is, how far are they willing to go? How far are they willing to go when people say, I'm not getting it, and the numbers ain't looking right because they're lying about the numbers? If you watch TV, if you're paying attention, they're going all out nonstop trying to get people to get vaccinated. You see what's happening with sports. You see all the commercials. You see fucking Sanjay Gupta ass all over TV, talking to everybody. And there's no way, people who doing any kind of research can't see this. And it's like, when you doing the research and you're looking, it's like, how can they come on TV? How can they come on TV and still push this stuff? How can they do that? Knowing what credible, reputable scientists, doctors, independent researchers are saying about this vaccine and saying about what's been taking place. So if you're keeping up with this, if you're not caught up in the fucking Creek Challenge, and if you're not caught up in all this nonsense that we're doing, if you're really paying attention, then you see what's happening and what's coming and everything that they're putting out, because everything is going to fit. Everything. It's going to blow your fucking mind how much everything now, when you see where we are, it fits. And yeah, it fits into, you'll see, Bible prophecy. And that's how they want it to be. So yeah, you're going to see the Christians going crazy, as I talk about in the video, and you're going to see a lot of people putting out a lot because it's going to fit. And there's no way it's not going to fit. It's not going to be no way around the Bible prophecy. Trust me on this. And I'll have more videos on the Bible prophecy. But as far as Corona, after this video, there's nothing else to talk about. It's game. It's just watch it and you'll understand. But as far as Bible prophecy, that's different, because now it's getting more easier to read. And now it's pointing to exactly what it's supposed to point to. But of course, religious people are going to think it's all spooky and Satan and end of the world stuff, instead of understanding the esoteric undertone. And a lot of you guys are. A lot of people sending me, a bunch of nonsense around it. But I'm gonna make that clear and understandable, going forward. But the video itself, Full Circle, is the most important. And as I said, when you watch it, it'll blow you away. It's going to scare the fuck out of you. And I'm sorry, that's not my intention. But yeah, it'll wake you up. Yeah, it's tough for me even doing the video and editing it. It's just fucking crazy, because you're going to see how it all fits. Everything is just wow. They really doing this. And as I said, they do this, that's it. It's game. It's no winning ever. It's over. It's no turning back. We call ourselves truthers, and everything we've been doing and researching over the years has been to basically reveal what I'm revealing in this video, to see what it's all about. And what is all this? What is it? Yeah, it's right here. We know you're going to see it. Some of you probably do already, but you know how I break stuff down. You know how I do the video. So I'll make it a lot easier to understand when you see it. But yeah, it's crazy. So it's late. It's probably, I don't know, if you're on East Coast, it's probably like 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. West Coast is like 4 something in the morning. So I'm really just now doing this, and we're going to put everything out. Everything is up. And yeah, I really recommend, if you get the entire audio video book, I recommend getting it on Podia, because you don't have to keep requesting download time or anything like that on Podia. Podia uses PayPal. So you'll be able to download all that because it's a lot. It's, it's about like 27, 28 files. So you'll be able to download it with no problem. So I want to put that out there before people get it on payloads. And unless you have a problem with Podia, then you can go to payload. So it's on both. But I know that has been issues with payloads, but that's the purpose of Podia. And as I said, it's going to get integrated into the new site. And yeah, got emails from you guys about that. And it's just, we're waiting. It's a lot we have to wait on because of this a lot I'll get into in a later video about new internet laws. You guys probably been seeing that. It's another thing they're doing behind our back, sneaky shit with the internet. So hopefully you guys seen the previous videos I put out on COVID, and you'll see how everything I talked about, you see, I'll show you how it's coming true and how what we talked about before, how it all fits in. As I said, when you understand, there is no way you can really truly do a vaccination. It's just something that you can give temporary relief to something, but like to completely eradicate it with a vaccination is almost not possible. And I obviously don't want to say too much here because I already know the algorithm is going crazy by just saying, COVID and vaccine, it's going crazy. So like I said, hopefully you guys seen the last videos and you'll see how everything adds up. Everything we was talking about before is going to add up. It all comes full circle. Everything will make sense. And everything we have been studying, as I said, over the years and everything we've been seeing, like it's been a puzzle. It's been a huge puzzle. And we know since 9/11, which is coming up, which is another reason why I wanted to hurry up and get this video out before then. So we can, observe what's coming. So remember the troops, as I talked about in the video, supposed to pull out of there and be out by September 11th. It's funny they chose that date. And like I said, everything that we've been seeing, it's been puzzle pieces leading up to this moment, to this point, to the coming days and months. And now really, we don't even understand how much what we do as a people is important. The ball's in our court. The problem with a lot of people who try to put this information out is they didn't do it correctly. And there's so much to grasp. It's like you can't be a student of one thing. You have to go back and look at everything. It's all going to fit. It's just all going to fit and make sense. But it's also going to raise more questions, which is what it does. And we're going to talk about that. Like I said, I don't want to say too much here because the algorithm is probably going crazy. And but I have a lot more information that I'm going to start just releasing on Merkabah Academy. Some other videos are going to be coming on Merkabah Academy that I just don't want to put on YouTube at all. So you guys will see those pop up on there in the coming days. Again, nothing about COVID. I'm just done with it. That's it. There's nothing else to say after this. And just some other information I think you guys need to know. So don't get caught up. Don't fall for all the fucking distractions and everything that's happening. Keep your eyes open because the shit is not over at all. This is truly the calm before the storm, like literally the calm before the storm. And everything that they're gearing up to do, they're just waiting for the time. They do everything on a time, on dates. That's all they're waiting for. There's nothing stopping them. Nothing. It's going to happen. Plain and simple. This is fucking John Connor, fucking Terminator, who realizing that, they couldn't stop it. Remember, it's always the whole thing wasn't to stop it from happening. It was to survive it because it's inevitable. Plain and simple. It's inevitable. And it's funny that they did that like that. And it just, like I said, it all makes sense. Like everything fits. Like the movies, everything, all that shit fits and you get it and you're going to understand. But there is no stopping it. There's nothing. No, like we would need everybody to have a mass awakening within the next couple of days. And it's just not going to happen. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. And I wanted this video to be about something else, but that's not important right now. But yeah, it's late. I need to get some sleep. So yeah, when you got time, make sure you see the video. Everybody who gets the entire, like I said, who gets the entire audio video book, full circle video will be included with that, but it's just going to be for the weekend. So after Monday, that's it. So if you get it this weekend, it'll be included. By Monday, it won't. Yeah, you'll understand after you see the video why I'm like this, why I feel some type of way. So check it out. Email me if you have any questions, because I know a lot of people are going to want to talk after this. And make sure you see it. And see you guys next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch and support. See you next video.